talk about the difference between middle school and junior high and why it really does matter. If you research middle school is designed to teach affective skills. How am I learning the balance between emotion and getting things done? So teaching you how to be more independent and giving you those experiences. So middle school looks different than elementary school. However, it's not junior high. Junior high is the bell rings, you go to classes. There's not as much collaborative planning amongst the staff. You're getting your work done, you're going from class to class and so forth and so on. So oftentimes I walk into middle schools that look like junior highs. So what I'm asking you to think about is if you're struggling with your middle schoolers, where most of us do struggle with them because it's the hardest part of time in your life, right? It's when hormones are against you. It's when you're transitioning from being a kid to being a pre-adolescent, and a lot of stuff is being expected of you. And that's why middle school was designed to balance the academic rigor and the affective skills. So if we're not hitting the middle school model and we're just going junior high, which is a smaller version, if you will, of high school, then we're not helping those kids to learn those skills that they need at that age. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.